Hello dears, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we discuss some examples of KCL, but previous lecture we already discussed Kirchhoff current law, but previous lecture some theoretically is clear though. So now we solve the example. So we take a simple example. So you can see here. So you see the arrow. So this arrow is entering, so because entering, so first we written entering, so you see here this is a this current entering and this both current leaving, so 6 ampere equal to 4, so 6 ampere equal 6 ampere. So if we carry in this size, so 0, so 6 minus 6 equal 0. So this example